Standard 7 Maths. My dear children, in this video we are going to continue the practice set of HCF. Find the HCF by prime factor method 40, 60 and 75. First we will find out the prime factors of 40. Okay, and then 60 and then 75. If I do here one by one, it will take more place. So I am doing the factorization of 40 here. You can do here in the working column. 2 के टेबल में आता है 2 2s are 4, 0 down, that means 2 zeros are 0, and then 2 again, 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. That is the factors of 40. And the next number is 60, 2 3s are 6, and 2 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, it becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. I am going little fast because I think you must have already perfectly understood the method of factorization. काफ़ी examples दिया था इसलिए 75 the third number 2 के टेबल में नहीं जाएगा. चेक करो 3 के लिए प्लस करने पे 12 मिल रहा है, 3 में जाएगा. 12 मिल रहा है तो 3 4 से 12 नहीं लिखना है. यहाँ पर 12 सिर्फ चेक करने के लिए था कि 3 में 3 हम यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं या नहीं. तो हमको काउंट करना है 75 के लिए. 3 2s are 6, 1 remaining 15, 3 5s are 15. Now 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Then what we will do, 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Then 75 equals 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, therefore HCF of 40, 60 and 75 equal, mark all the common numbers, common factors. 2 ये दोनों में है लेकिन इधर 2 नहीं है, so ये 2 भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा जोड़ी. 5 1 2 3 तीनों जगह 5 है बराबर, और ज़्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है. 3 ये दोनों में है लेकिन तीनों में तो नहीं है. So 5 is the HCF of 40, 60 and 75. And the next question is 16 and 27. So I'm doing here 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now 27 here. 3 के टेबल में जाएगा, 2 में नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि लास्ट डिजिट 7 है. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So here 16, the prime factors of 16 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 27's prime factors are 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF of 16 and 27, 2 यहाँ नहीं है, 3 वहाँ पर नहीं है. So that means they don't have any common factor, they don't have any common prime factor. Then what we will write here, as I told you before, we will write here 1, because while factorizing a number we get all the prime factors here and one more factor, that is 1. Every number is, the next numbers are 18, 32 and 48. 3 numbers से यहाँ पर करेंगे तो space नहीं मिलेगा, so I'm doing here 18, factorizing 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3, and 32, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. And then 48, 2 2s are 4, कुछ बचा तो नहीं है यहाँ से, only 8, 2 4s are 8, Now again 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 threes are 6, 3 ones are 3. Okay, after completion of the factorization, we'll write the prime factors of each number. 18 equals 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3, and then 32 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32, and 48 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, and then into 3, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, these are the factors. Now therefore HCF equals, I'll adjust the page. HCF equals, what is common, that you take 2 and no more common numbers, isn't it? So only 2 is the HCF. Are you following me? Okay, let's go to the next number, that is 105 and 154. 105 and 154. So first of all 105, okay, factorization. It doesn't go in the table of 2 because last digit is 5. So check it for 3. Yes, 5 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. And 3 twos are 6. 6 is divisible by 3. So we can put 3 here. First number is very small, smaller than 3. So we'll take one more number, that is 10. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9 and 1 remains, that 1 is here. 15. 3 fives are 15. And this number is not divisible by 3 because if you add the digits you will get 8, and 8 is not divisible by 3. So next number we'll check it for 5. Yes, this number is divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. So 5 here, and we know that 5 sevens are 35, and since 7 is a prime number, we'll directly do with 7. 7 ones are 7. Okay, now the next number is 154. Last digit is 4, so it can be divisible by 2. 2, the first digit is small, so take both the digits, 1 5, 15. 2 sevens are 14, and 1 remains here, again 14. 2 sevens are 14. Now this number is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, both the places ones are. And 11 is a prime number, we'll do directly with 11. 11 ones are 11. So here we are going to write the prime factors of the given numbers. 105 equals 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7, and 154 is 2 into 7 into 11. 2 into 7 into 11. And if you check the numbers, if you check the prime factors of both the numbers, you will get only 7 as common. Only 7 as common. That's why HCF of the numbers 105 and 154 is equal to 7. Hope you are understanding. Now next one, 42, 45 and 48. So 3 numbers are there, so I am doing here because 3 numbers I cannot do here, I think so. Okay, anyhow, let's start here. 42, 2 twos are and 2 ones are. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Now this number is divisible by 3. 3 sevens are 21 and 7 ones are 7. Okay, that is over. Now 45. 45 is divisible by 3 because 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Now 45, it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 1 remains, it is 15. 3 fives are 15. Now again 3, 3 fives are 15, 5 ones are 5. Okay. Next number is 48. So it is divisible by 2 because last digit is 2, 8. 2 twos are 4, nothing remains there. 2 fours are 8. Okay. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again 2 6 are 12, and 2 threes are 6, and 3 ones are 3. So 42 equals 2 into 3 into 7, and 45 equals 3 into 3 into 5, and 48 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into last 3b. Okay, now HCF, if you check the common factors among these numbers, 2 यहाँ नहीं है, 3 3 3 सभी में 3 है, so we got 3, and 7 नहीं है, 5 भी सभी में नहीं है, so HCF is only 3. HCF है इन 3 नंबर का 3. Okay, question number 8 is 57, 75 and 102. 57, it is not divisible by 2 because last digit is 7. It's not 0 to 4, 0 to 4 6 8. So add the digits. While by adding we are getting 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so we can write 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 2 remains 27, 3 nines are 27. And 19, we know that it is a prime number, so we will directly write here 19 ones are 19. Now 75, this number is, yeah, it's clearly seen that it's divisible by 5, but before that we have to check for 2 and 3. It is not divisible by 2 because last digit is 5, and check for 3. 7 and 5 together it is 12. So this number is divisible by 3. So I have written here 3, 3 twos are 6 and 1 remains 15, 3 fives are 15. Now this number is only divisible by 5, and 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. That means this number is divisible by 1 and 25 also. I'm talking about the prime factor of 25. Okay, now 102, it is divisible by 2 because last digit is 2. 1 is smaller than this 2, so we are taking two numbers, 2 digits, 10. 2 5s are 10 and this one 2 1s are 2. Not divisible by 2, add the number 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so we can write 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 2 bacha, 21, 3 sevens are 21, and 17 is a prime number, so 17 ones are 17. Now we'll write the prime factors of each numbers. 57 is 3 into 19, isn't it? And 75 is 3 into 5 into 5, and 102 is 2 into 3 into 17. Now we can write the HCF of 57, 75 and 102, 3 as a common factor. No, nothing else, only 3. So the LCM of 57, 75 and 102 is 3. Now two more sums left in this section, that is the 9th one and the 10th. 56 and 57. 56 and 57 are the next two numbers. So let's start with 57. 57, factorization of 57. It is not divisible by 2, but it can be divisible by, completely divisible by 3, because 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 ones are 3, 2 remains 27. It becomes 27. 3 nines are 27 and 19 ones are 19, because 19 is a prime number. The next one is 57. 7 plus 5, 12 again. So 3 1, oh sorry, it's first one was 56. I'm really sorry. So we'll do 56 here. Okay, just first I did here and then 57. Sorry, 56. So it is divisible by 2 because last digit is 6. 2 2s are 4 and 1 remains 16. 2 8s are 16. And then again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. And 2 7s are 14 and 7 1s are 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. You can check it also whether your factorization is correct or not. 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, 28 2s are 56. So it is correct. And 56 we'll write here 3 into 19. Okay. Sorry, 57. First one. Sorry, I have to cut this. 56 here and 57 here. Sorry. 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. And 57 next equals 3 into 19. Okay. Now therefore HCF, already you must have got this HCF, because they don't have any common factors. So answer is only 1. HCF of 56 and 57 is 1. Now the last sum, 10th one. 777, the numbers are big enough. 315, 588. So let's start the factorization of first one, 777. And you see whether it is divisible by 2. No, it is not divisible by 2. And 3, add the 3 digits. 7 ones are 7, 14 and 21. This number is divisible by 3. So I'm doing here 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, it becomes 17. 3 5s are 15, 2 remains, 27. 3 9s are 27. Now again add these 3 numbers, 3 digits. 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. Not divisible by 2. But here see, it was divisible by 7 because all the numbers are 7. So we can try here also 7 directly. 7 2s are 7 3s are 21. 21 after removing 21 we are getting a 4. 49 7 7s are 49. And now 37. 37 is a prime number. It can't be completely divided by any other number other than 37. So it's a prime number. We are writing 37 once up. Now 315 is the next one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number goes in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. That finished. Now the next number is 1, but it is very small, smaller than this 3. So we have to put a 0 before taking these two numbers together because 1 is not in the beginning. If 1 is in the beginning, we can directly take one more digit if it is less than this 3. But here that 1 which is less than this digit is somewhere inside, somewhere in between. So we have to count the table. 3 zeros are 0 and then we can attach this 1 to this 5. 3 5s are 15. I have already explained such kind of sums. And now again it will go in the table of 3. 3 3s are 9, 1 remains, 3 5s are 15. Now it is divisible by 5, 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Last one, 588. 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 10. Sorry, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 and 1 remains, 14, 2 7s are 14. 147. Now add these digits because it is not divisible by 2, then try for 3. 7, 8, 8 and 4, 12. So it will be divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12, 2 remains, 27, 3 9s are 27 and 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Okay, so now we'll write the factors of prime factors of each number. 777 equals 3 into 7 into 37 and 315 equals 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 and the last one 588 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. From where I am writing, you must know from here. Okay, if there is any confusion, please go back and watch all through the video once again. Okay, therefore HCF equals 3 3, here also 3. We are getting 3 as a common factor and 7 7 7. Okay, nice. 7 also we got, so we have to put a multiplication sign over here and write the next number 7 and still search for any other more common factors. No, so multiply these together. 3 7s are 21 is the HCF of 777, 315 and 588. So that was all about this practice set. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.